Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to add a voucher or a gift code to your My Macca's or McDonald's app on your mobile device. Please make sure to watch this video in its entirety so don't miss out on important information and to not make any mistakes. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video, shall we? Alright guys, open up your app on your phone, your McDonald's app. Once it's open, you want to go down and click onto More, bottom right hand corner of the page here. And then once you're there, click onto your profile and make sure you're logged in. As you can see, I'm logged in here. And then from here, go back and then click on where it says got a voucher. This is where you want to put in your voucher or gift code. So your code should be 12 characters in length and only use alphanumeric characters. Once you have done that, go ahead and click on redeem and then head back and then continue to making your order inside McDonald's, and that gift voucher or gift code will be added to your checkout to reduce that price of your order. Alright guys, that's the end of this video. Thanks for sticking around. If you like this video, leave a like and subscribe. We'll see you in the next one.